What's up everyone, this is Henry here, and thanks for tuning in. Before I start the video, make sure you smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, check out my description, and you will find my social medias to follow me on, and my merch store. Alright guys, am I going to keep stacking with spot prices going down, and should you also keep stacking? That's what we're going to talk about, guys. Before we talk about this, I'm going to say a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy with a camera that's talking to you guys. Got some precious metals displayed as you see here. Alright, so I did that. Yeah, I ain't trying to get sued for, that. Alright, so as a new stacker, I've only been stacking for about 8 months, give or take. As a new stacker, you should be happy that this is happening. But as an older stacker, I know obviously a lot of them are pissed off because they tend to flip their metals or just sell them once the spot price go up. But with it going down, those older veteran stackers are losing money. But like I said 1,000 times, stacking precious metals is not a short-term investment. It's a long-term investment if you get lucky. That's all I say. Right now we're in a recession, and we may get lucky. The spot price of around spot price can go up to $50 an ounce of silver. $50 or $100. I doubt it's gonna get that high, but you never know. And gold may go up as well. But as of right now, spot price has been going down a lot for the metals, all four of the metals. If you collect platinum and palladium, kudos for you. I'll probably get some of that one of these eons. I think this is the best time that we're gonna have to just add on weights, add in more weight, more weight, and more weight. It all adds up, guys. And don't stop stacking, because I got a good feeling that once this recession is over with, spot price is going to fly up for all the metals, and for everything else, it's going to fly up. It happened several times before in the past. I'm not going to get into it that much, but it has happened, and I think it's going to happen again. That's why I'm going to continue to stack. And also, I'm stacking as a prepper stacker, and for SHTF, and to have stuff to barter with, and also it's stacking is also like a savings account for me. But should you be doing it as well? My answer is yes as well. You should be doing it. Don't try to break yourself. A lot of noob stackers be trying to catch up to these veterans that have 2,000, 3,000 ounces of silver and a lot of gold. It's going to take years, guys. All that you see in their videos, it took them years, if not decades, to get to that amounts. So take your time. Do your own due diligence by watching videos like mine and others, and stack. Try your best not to sell it, because the people who overstack, they tend to sell it because they spent too much and they need the cash, and that's not how you should be doing it. Also, you need to get stuff that has low premiums as well. Not all the stuff that I have here displayed, I had to pay a higher premium. Like for example, spot price was 20. Okay, yes, spot price was $20, and I buy that American Eagle up there on the top. That's about $33 now. That's a $13 premium. So that's just an example for you guys, because you guys don't know. And then all these other coins I had to pay a premium for. They're more of a sub, a different flipping, or just collecting as well. But I got a lot of buffaloes and other rounds that's there just adding weight to stack, and I got coins and rounds that's more for collecting. So I'm not going to get into that too much, guys, but I just wanted to give you guys my opinion about spot price going down, and should you guys stop stacking or continue to stack. You gotta be on some type of drug to stop stacking right now, guys. Also, you gotta be on some type of drug to sell at $19 an ounce, guys. Hold on to your precious metals. Hold on to them. Don't give up. Don't sell them, guys. It's going to happen. Just wait. It's going to happen. The spot price will go up for everything. Just wait. And like I said earlier in the video, stacking precious metals is not it's not a short-term investment. You know, it's not a get-rich-quick type of thing. It's going to take time, years, or if ever, you know, if it shoots up to the moon. Which, with all this technology advancing, and you know, we got to use silver for more stuff. Um, I know for a fact the cost of silver and gold is going to go up a lot in the future. So keep on stacking, guys. I'm on my way to 100 ounces. I've recently slowed down stacking because I'm doing other things. So this that. And yeah, guys, I'm not gonna rant about this too long. I will be doing a lot more precious metal videos, just doing, you know, rants like this, guys. You know, just displaying some of my metals and just talking to you guys about this. But let me know in the comments on if you guys are still stacking, or you guys are selling, or just let me know what you guys are doing down below, because I'm always interested. And also, if you guys stack, I do have a Discord in my description below that you can join. You know, I'm interested to see other people's stacks as well. You know, I'm nosy, so you know, there's that. But yeah, guys. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. On your way out, make sure you smack that like button and do all that other stuff I said in the intro. I hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, carry a gun, get prepared, and start stacking. Yeah. I need to stop doing that. And as always, have a nice day.